Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a website in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. Log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to delete from Hostinger AI website builder, just click on these three dots and select delete. But before that, one thing I recommend you to do is to make a copy or a backup copy of your website before deleting it, just in case. To do it, it's the same thing. Click on these three dots and select duplicate website. Here, if you select in which hosting plan you want to duplicate this website on, since I have only this single website or this single hosting plan, I can't select another one. So click on select plan. Website was duplicated successfully. To see your duplicated website. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger Website Builder Masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Website was duplicated successfully. To see your duplicated website, just refresh this page. And this is my duplicated website. It's always on the top of the old one or on the top of the original one. Now to delete your website in Hostinger website builder, click on these three dots, select delete. You will see this warning. I understand that all data on this website and its subdomains will be lost and can't be recovered. Emails can be restored within 30 days. Here, this is what you will lose: database, custom code, images, orders list, free email plans. Click on delete. Your website is being deleted. It can take up to 10 minutes for your website to be deleted. Click on done. And to make sure that your website is deleted, just refresh this page and remember this domain name or this website's domain name. Visit France.com, hit refresh, and just like that, my website built using Hostinger AI website builder called visitfrance.com is deleted successfully. And this is how to delete your website in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.